Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Langmaid with Research That Matters TV. Whether you are just driving to work or taking a big family vacation, an unexpected car accident can cause painful injuries that impact you for months and years to come. The weight of your vehicle combined with the speed can create a tremendous amount of force. And in an auto accident, that force gets transferred directly to your body. Even low-speed collisions can create enough force to cause serious injuries. Seatbelts save millions of lives each year and should be used every time you enter a vehicle, but they also can contribute to a few of the most common spinal injuries. The sudden stop or change in direction during an accident can place a tremendous amount of force on your chest. With your arms and legs unsecured, they can strike the interior of your car, causing injuries. Here are a few of the most common injuries that occur after a car accident. Number 1, head injuries. Striking your head against the steering wheel, dashboard, or window can result in a severe head injury such as a concussion, which is considered a form of mild traumatic brain injury. Number 2, spinal injuries. The forces that occur during a car accident can cause spinal injuries such as instability, whiplash, or even herniated discs. And finally, arm or leg injuries. Injuries to your shoulders if you're holding the wheel or your knees that hit the door or dash are very common after a car accident. If you're involved in a car accident, no matter if it's major or minor, it's important to seek medical attention. Properly documenting cuts and scrapes, evaluating your spine, and understanding if you suffered head injuries is nearly impossible to do without the help of a trained medical professional. My name is Dr. Jeff Langmaid, and I'll see you next week for another episode of Research That Matters TV.